What's up you guys? We are 3 weeks out. Carb depletion already started. I look slightly weak and we're gonna hit shoulder and abs today. So one great news I wanna share with you all. So in the history, for the first time, an amateur athlete, I'm not yet IFBB Pro, I'm still amateur. So amateur athlete been announced on their official page on Dubai Muscle Show that I'm going to compete. So it's a history and I really want to thank you guys. Whenever you see this video, check out the official Dubai Muscle page. You can check out this. It's been official. Yeah, so I'm happy, excited to compete. Just 3 weeks there and hoping for a good result, most probably title. So thank you all for supporting and believing in me, and I will try my best to keep you inspired like this. Any suggestion, any feedback, please comment below. Watch the space, shoulder and abs today. You guys liking it? Please tell me, So I'll work more harder. We need to remove the series 2 as well. So we did first variation for shoulder. Now alternate we are doing with abs. So we complete one shoulder variation, then we do one abs workout variation, then again shoulder variation, then again abs variation. So that's how we're gonna combine. So that's how we get the muscle get rest in between. As I'm on a zero carb right now, carb depletion you can say, so it's very difficult to maintain and stay energetic, but I'm trying my best. So check this out. The exercise I'm gonna perform, that's one of my favorite and the most difficult exercise. Make sure you start with a blank bar. Check this out. So we begin with variation number 2 for shoulder. Again for front deltoid, shoulder military press. A lot of people call it overhead press, military press. Call it whatever you want to say, but do it. So what we did, if you see in last shoulder workout, we did overhead press with dumbbell. And this time we are doing with barbell. So what we have to do, we have to rotate it. So once a week you do with dumbbell, another week you do with barbell. So that's how you do it, isolateral, bilateral movement both together. So this is variation number 2 for deltoid. Check this out. I'm gonna do about 15 to 20 reps for each set because zero carb. Variation number 2 for abs workout. So that's how we're doing. One shoulder, one abs, one shoulder, one abs. But make sure that you complete first variation of shoulder, then go to the first variation of abs, like I'm doing. So this is decline crunches. What you have to do, you take a bench. You have to keep it a slightly lower than. You can see the slightly lower than the flat. Say about 15 degree lower than the flat, and check how I'm doing. You need to touch your elbow to your knee to complete your ab roll. Check this. Variation number 3 for shoulder. This is gonna be for mid deltoid. We're gonna do lateral raises, seated lateral raises. So that's how we shuffle once a week standing, once a week seated. So 4 sets, about 20 reps each. Contract. Make sure when you're doing this, your elbow is above than your wrist. A lot of people do this, wrist is up with the dumbbell, but you have to make sure that your elbow is above, not your wrist. So elbow will be up and rest will be just a supporting movement. So check this out how I'm doing. Any questions, you can comment below. In my next video, I'll definitely try to clear all the questions, valid questions. Variation number 3, again we're going back to lower abs. What we're gonna do is hanging leg raises. Here, this guy, Gaurang and Maharaj, they both are forcing me to do without t-shirt, without sando. So just for them and for you guys, I'm gonna do this exercise without sando. Check this out. Variation number 4, again we're back to the shoulder. We're gonna do close grip high pull. For it cover your mid deltoid, mid traps, and also your red head. So check this out. session for today, shoulder workout. We are doing shrugs. It's mostly for trapezius, this part of your shoulder. So we're gonna do about 5 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Squeeze, release. Check this out I do.